My name is Addis. I'm the Group Project Director for Wingu.africa. Wingu.africa is the first carrier-neutral data center company focusing in the Eastern African region. Effectively, we design, build and operate state-of-the-art data centers across the region. Today we are in our ICT park in Addis, which is our first expansion. We have a pioneering pedigree, and Addis Ababa and Ethiopia is our first expansion in the East African region, with one of our most substantial investments and projects so far. And the building here will be around 4 phases, which will happen over the next couple of years. But we're very proud to be the first company that will provide a carrier-neutral data center in Addis by next month.
My name is Teshome. I'm a country director for Wingu.africa data center in Ethiopia. Wingu.africa has been starting in Ethiopia like just almost a year, and it has been working here just to construct a tier 3 and carrier neutral data center. So without their support, I think this cannot be found in this position. So I would like to thank these government organizations that they have supported us a lot. Now it is in a very good position. So we are now importing all the materials that has been coming from abroad. So it's good, and I'm happy to see on this position. So this is the first for Wingu.africa in Ethiopia. Hopefully we'll be launching this in a very short period of time.
My name is Mike Coburn. I'm Wingu's Group Technical Director and responsible for the rollout of our data center facilities. So on our far right hand side we have a temporary office which will house both all the technical staff as well as our engineers for the period of the operation of our facilities. We then, if you see on my right hand side, we've got our power modules. We have in all cases in the full facility we have a true A and B parallel redundant system. So we have the luxury of losing a complete leg and not losing our customer service. So we have our power module B, we have our power module A, which is effectively the energy, the heart and soul of the data center, which houses the UPSs and the batteries to keep the power going in the event of a mains failure. What we do is we specialize and we pre-invest in our civil infrastructure to make sure that when we add extra data centers, we do this seamlessly without affecting any of our current loads that are ongoing at the moment. So this area is effectively our data center, which houses all the racks, complete with cooling, power, fire suppression, fiber optic connectivity, etc. All the components that make a data center successful. Over in this section here we have our space for our 2 diesel tanks. We have 2 by 23,000 litre tanks which provide enough diesel for 24-hour operation for 30 days continuous without doing a refill. Over here we run all our cable infrastructure, which is a full A-B redundant system. In other words, we always, in any case, we can lose one leg and not lose power to our facility. What is very important is our fiber connectivity, and that we run in a series of manholes and sleeves, and we have two redundant entries. So we have a dual path effectively for our fibers, making sure that should anything unfortunately happen to one set of fibers, we have continuity with others. We then move on to our cooling systems. In this particular case we use a chilled water plant, again dual fed, dual circuit, both mechanically and electrically, and this chiller unit effectively cools the energy center as well as our data center. So we maintain an optimum operating condition to make sure that our servers are at any time effectively cooled and efficiently cooled.
Thank you for taking the time to come to our site here at the ICT Park in Addis.